Good evening, everyone. 8 o'clock news tonight. We're with Branka and myself talking about end of financial year and how to prepare for that. Do you want to get started, Brunks?
Yeah, good evening, everyone. And it's very interesting topic tonight. Everyone is looking how to save some money and how to save on all day expenses, but also to upgrade their properties.
Do we need the intro? I forgot to press the intro.
No, we're not.
We're enough intro, I think.
That's right.
So we haven't got long. Basically, end of June. A lot of our clients will get their end of financial year statement for the year gone.
That's right. What we usually do, we do send on end of May, we do send a letter to our clients and asking if they wish for us to provide them end of financial year statement, and some of them say yes, some of them say no, but most of them say yes because it's a great document. There is everything listed with all expenses, and you can take only one piece of paper to your accountant and finalize your tax for that year easy, with not much papers, invoices, what you've got, what you haven't. It's everything there because that's what we do.
Our software does it all for you, and I guess that's another bonus of having an agent manage your investment property, because you don't have to do all of that backtracking and seeing what incomes come in, all the maintenance you've done. We do it all, collate it all in one easy statement for the accountant.
That's right. And why we choose this topic now at this time is just because what we find out is more that people start organizing some repairs and maintenance when we are close to end of the year, Christmas time, and everyone is busy, everyone is going, most of tradesmen is going on a holiday, and it's just mess and a waiting time and everything. But good time really financially and for the benefit, for tax benefit, is this time is the best time to do it. Of course, we are not financial advisors. We are not advising you anything about how to do it, what to do, or something like as a financial advisor would do. What we're doing is just giving you some hints that maintenance need to be done during whole year, but this time when it's end of financial year, maybe it's a time if you need to do something, maybe it's the best time to do it now.
Well, it's like the big department stores, they do a mid-year clearance sale, don't they? They don't do that at the end of the year. Do they do it in the middle of the year? So you clear all the stock. I guess similarly in property, you might choose to, finalize all your outstanding matters before financial year.
Yeah. And what is good is tax deductible. Some, if, you have a small things that you need to do to upgrade your property and make your tenants happy and your property more value, why not?
And we have been organising depreciation schedules for our clients as well through third parties that can help with your tax return at the end of the year. I'm not sure where the cut-off time for that is as well, but
Yeah, you can do
at any time.
Any time, but it's a great look, whatever you can spend for your property and that you can use and have to benefit to get some of your tax back. Why not? Especially now in this hard time when our interest rates are going like a crazy, that they increasing constantly. Then we have to help and find out what our clients can do to get something back.
Definitely. And we do have people we can refer to help our clients out. As Branka touched, we don't know a whole deal. We're not trained on that side of things. But
And we are not trying to do that.
No,
isn't
not at
it?
all.
Yeah.
Not at all. But anyway, we can help or steer you in the right direction, because this financial year will probably be a really important one for a lot of our investors, and
That's
especially
right.
if they've carried over doing the returns. You know, if you're not doing them every year, and then you had COVID in the last two, you know, it's all
When everything was a bit
relevant.
slow, isn't it? When during the COVID, everything was really slow. It wasn't that many maintenance due to people cannot go to properties, you cannot do much repairs, and but now when it's
almost back to normal.
back to normal,
Yeah.
why not? And if our landlords can benefit, and of course our tenants would benefit from that as well, because
For sure.
properties would look better, and
Yeah, we still can turn around, you know, painting, carpet, and things like that very quickly. Blinds, those sorts of things within a week or two. So if you are looking at doing something before the end of this financial year, it's not too late. But yeah, like rule of thumb, the last week before the 30th of June, everyone's like, oh, well, I might, you know, upgrade my kitchen or do all of this. Can we get it done? So I guess now would be the crunch time for any of our landlords that do want things. And I guess because tenants as well, if our rents go up a little bit, they're going to want a few things, you know,
to be done as well,
finalized even, you know, that have carried on or what have you. So, you know, we can aid in all of that.
Of course. And look, if you can prepay your interest on your investment property for a year ahead, and claim that on your yearly tax, why not? Talk to your accountant about it and your financial advisor, but we are here to just help you to organize any of that repairs, maintenance, upgrade, however you want to call it.
Yeah, you have options. There are a lot of options, a lot of industry advice. There's a lot of people that we can, you know, steer towards. And what else?
And we have a good tradesman that can help and can advise you as well what to do and how to do it. And and Cleo and I and Tina as well as the senior property managers, we are in office all time. And if you have any questions or if you need any advice, we are happy to talk to you.
Yeah, anytime. Obviously, it's going to be quite stressful for some people towards the end of this, you know, financial year. But yeah, like Brooke said, everyone's here to help and support each other, and hopefully we can help in any way you need. I think that's it about tax time.
That's right.
Yeah, not envying being an accountant this year, that's for sure. I'd be quite happy being a property manager. Thanks very much.
For a change.
For a change, yeah, that's it. Well, I hope everyone's staying warm tonight. Have a nice hot tea or something. It's cold. I'm cold.
It is. Heaters are coming back, and
Maybe that can be our next topic: how to save money on your heating or energy bill, or something to do with that. All right, everyone. We'll have a great night, and we'll see you in 3 weeks. 3 weeks time again.
That's right.
Good night, everyone.